Yes, I'm Soumitra here from Mineral Water Project Information. And as you know, we have been creating certain videos in the marketing sector of the packaged drinking water business. So in that, we had created some 10 principles on which you can build your marketing strategy and marketing whole activities on that. So 1, 2, 3 you had covered. Now this is the fourth point in that. That is creating a value and identifying a value for your segment. So let's understand what is meant by the value kind of thing. When we talk about value, what is the value which you are thinking about? So let's understand it one by one. There are some three major points which will properly define the value point in here. So let's go to them. So value is different from the principal business kind of thing, where we had said hygiene and health is your business. Your business is not water, we had said. So what is meant by value in addition to that? So value is something which is creating creating some added, a single committed, feature by which the you are bettering the life of the people who are your audiences. So why credit card was created? So people say that it has got a lot of interest burdens and all that. But credit card offers convenience. So convenience is a value which is offered by credit card. So in what way it is offering the convenience, that defines the whole value proposition. So with the segmentation defined, we are going to the value propositions in what we are going to offer. So understand that value is different from price and value is different from the cost as well. Okay. So we'll go to the next point. Value actually guides you whenever you are in a fix. So for example, let's take the example of bottled water only. So sometimes, in the, you can say the pressure months, like in the month of May or June, you are too much, short of production and supply and all that. And there is too much demand. So I had visited one factory in which they were actually packing the goods. Okay. And there was too much pressure of, there were continuously the phones were ringing of the plant owner and he was pressurized for the deliveries. Still he was telling that, sir, it will take at least 48 hours for, the production to get packed and delivered. So the other person on the other side of the phone, he was telling him, so can't you adjust the date on the machine which prints the prices? So he said, sir, it is fixed up by the BIS and BIS values the health standards very highly and we also respect the standards set up by BIS. So in no way we are going to bypass that and please, that is our value. So this was their value proposition, and whenever there is a fix, like he was tempted, sometimes the production manager might have to be tempted to deliver the goods because there is a lot of pressure and temptation, the temptation of money, temptation of profits. But this actually single value proposition makes the person standing at that point, he is completely unshakable by the value. So he is fixed that I will only deliver the goods after 48 hours of being it in the factory, and then only after passing the tests I will dispatch the goods. So this is the advantage value offers you. It offers you unmovable judgment in tricky situations. So this is point number 2. The next point is actually it builds your organization. Okay, it builds a culture in the organization that this is the stand which the top management is taking. So we don't have any option to this. We have to forego with the standards set in. So these are the value standards. So it builds your business from within. It builds your organization. It builds their principles. So you need not tell them that this is the way you should behave. So it is indirectly a system of ethics. What is value proposition? It is a system of ethics which you are going to build. So this is the next thing. Let's go to the next part. So let's take an example. Suppose you decide to serve the corporate sectors. So particularly if you are in a place like Bangalore or Pune or Hyderabad or Noida, so there are a lot of IT industries. So these IT industries are very particular about the employees, their health and their living standards, because employees are their capital assets, you can say that. So their health is their top concern. So IT industries are very particular about how you are handling the bottles, how you are delivering the bottles, how clean are your vehicles, So the advantage of keeping this value, if you are serving to that segment, what you will do is you will always see to it that your vehicles are very clean, your delivery boys are wearing the proper apparel, proper dressing. Besides the brand, I'm not talking about the branding here, I'm talking about the value. If they care the health and hygiene, so they will handle the water, they will deliver the water cans, the water bottles, whatever, in a proper way. They will always check care, top priority with the hygiene. So, even whichever conditions your factory is in, you'll always be concerned with the factory hygiene as well. So, if you follow the BI standards, so this will always be in your, that is what I was telling you, that it builds your organization and it builds your culture. So, this is an example which can be very, very helpful. Yes, and value also creates your brand identity. So if you go and if you are identified by such kind of health precautions or something like that, you will be definitely preferred over the others. So in other way, with value proposition, you can beat your competition, you can build your content, you can decide your connect channels, and you can decide your pricing also. So pretty faster you can rise up the price curve. You can go to the better price fairly earlier than your decision. So pricing we are going to talk in a separate video. It is not the part of this, but it will also close the pricing curve very shortly. So these are advantages of having a proper value proposition to your customer segments. So create your value propositions, and yes, if you are in a fix, if you don't know how to do that, we are always there. We are marketing consultants as well for the packaged drinking water industry. So come to us. At the end of the video, you will see the slide in which you can find out our contact numbers and the details about it. So stay tuned, subscribe to the video channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get a single video, because as committed, offering sensible videos, sensible information is our value proposition. You can understand that. Thank you so much.